Hi everyone, it's been an odd day today. I woke around 4:30 this morning and did the normal thing of watching tons of YouTube videos, and at some point during that YouTube binge I decided that it was about time for me to learn music theory. So I'm going to do that, and I might make a sort of challenge video out of it, like one of those learn music in 30 days blah 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 type videos. And yeah, I've had training in music, but not in music theory. So I've been taught how to record and compose and cut and use music editing software through my university training. And I learnt about weird styles of music like gamelan and that kind of stuff. But I didn't learn any music theory. It wasn't part of the course, as it's something you're supposed to learn beforehand. Now, I was taught how to play clarinet, but learning clarinet as a dyslexic person was quite difficult, so with my brain it took out all of the in-between bits. So seeing a mark on a stave on a piece of paper saying this is a note didn't equate in my brain to this is an A, this means it is in the key of blah 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 blah, and this means other notes that go with it are blah 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 blah. Oh no, in my brain it went, that note means put your fingers here. So it took out the whole middle part of thinking about music. It just did basic things, my brain, and it took the sort of more mechanical approach to it, and just took them as sets of instructions. That's what happens when you play with too much Lego. Follow the instructions or else. Anyway, what was I saying? So yeah, woke up really early, then I went and took the dogs, and when I came back, girlfriend and dog had fallen asleep, meaning that my office, aka our little, not even a double bedroom really, the girlfriend and the baby had fallen asleep, which means I didn't have access to my computer really. I didn't have access to my paperwork or the space I need to do the various phone calls and stuff that I needed to do today. And so I've done none of them. Instead I sat on the sofa, then I fell asleep. So I was asleep and slept through most of the day and woke up when it was time to make tea. So I made some tea.
Move two of them to the middle to see if it'll be any quicker.
So what we're making is some fried polenta and a tomato, sort of thick tomato sauce to go with them. That's what we're having for tea today. Mum's made up a little green salad, and we've got some dressing left over that I made yesterday, which was cider vinegar, vegetable oil, salt, pepper, and a little bit of rice wine vinegar as well. And that was about it. However, Sunday, when I wasn't supposed to be doing anything, when I said I wasn't going to do any vlogging or anything like that, I made a short video, as you probably can see in my videos. But I also uncovered a free editing software called Hitfilm 4 Express, and it is really, really in depth and quite exciting. So I've taken the video I made on Sunday, and today I've played around with it and uploaded a new version of the same video with some digital effects on it, and it just makes it seem a lot nicer, a little smoother. They're just motion blurs and an echo effect. It takes ages to export it though, because my processor on my laptop is so slow, but I've got patience, so I can kind of cope with it. But it makes the whole video look a lot nicer and a lot cooler, I think, artistically. Go and have a look, see what you think, and let me know in the comments. I'm going to be vlogging again tomorrow, and I'm also using a different camera again. So I'm using my little Fujifilm bridge camera to do this video, However, the cooking video is on the little Samsung handheld thing. I don't know if they're any better or this is any nicer to look at, but I'm going to play around with vlogging with this one for a few days, see how it works in comparison to the other one. It's certainly a lot heavier and it's making my arm ache, so I'm going to go now, bae. Good morning, everybody. Yes, I've gone for the reverse man bun today, and I'm going to get my hair cut today. My girlfriend's going to cut my hair, hopefully. So I'm quite annoyed. My repair that I did to my bag has come loose. My stitching obviously wasn't that great here, so I'm going to have to go back over it again and re-repair the back of my bag. I might wait till my dad brings over his sewing machine, and I'm going to get Bean to teach me how to use a sewing machine, as I think I've used one once before, but I'm kind of scared. I just have the fear that I'm going to just sew my body onto whatever I'm trying to fix. Grey day today. It's not really peeing or rain, but it's drizzle. I'm going into the little bit of town, not the main bit of town, to see if I can get some hair dye. And I'm going to go in a little charity shop that's here, as my trousers that I had, my smart trousers, black ones, I've got a massive rip in the crotch now. Just going to try some stuff on.
Oh, you don't know?
I like that.
That's it. That's all.
Very good. That's great. Thanks so much. So that's hair dye brought, and that is also a shirt brought. Remember I did some shots and crossed a little weird little bridge? I'll just quickly show you what it looks like. When the tide's a little bit in, it's not even fully in at the moment, but you can't cross it because, yeah, they're the railings that the bridge sits alongside. So you literally can't get out along it at all. Never mind. Right, I'm gonna maybe try and trek to the other charity shop that's in Hale. See if I can find a pair of decent trousers that I like. But they all seem to be for much bigger people. I'm such a tiny little hobbit man that nothing seems to fit me. Now, I don't consider myself a particularly superstitious person, but for some reason in my brain I can't not count magpies. Anytime I see them, there's always one for sorrow, two for joy. It's really strange. Can't not do it. I think it was something from childhood, most probably. Yeah, it's weird, isn't it? Do you have any superstitions? Black cats, walking under ladders, that kind of thing? Let me know. They look a little bit odd with a t-shirt tucked in, but with a shirt, they'll look nice. What do you think? Yeah. Well, that's cool. I've got a shirt, I got trousers, and I got hair dye, all for under 15 quid today, which is excellent. And I've supported two different charities: the National Animal Welfare Trust, which is the place where I've applied for a job, and also the Cornwall Hospice, which is another place that I've got an interview for a job. So yeah, I've been quite good. But this is the old foundry in Hale. It's being redeveloped at the moment into sort of bespoke flats and stuff. But it's really nice building. They're kind of sticking like a modern bit in the middle of it and keeping the walls. Yep, I'm gonna get those. Okay, no, we're not vlogging with the bridge camera. It's really nice for setting up still shots and sort of other angles maybe. Excuse me. But the sound on it is absolutely terrible. This little Samsung has a lot better mic. Obviously because it's designed for video recording and not photography, it's gonna have a better mic. I could always overlay my voice using my crappy mic that I have in my laptop and just guess what I was saying the whole way along. But that wouldn't be very fun either. Anyway, so great haul of stuff today. So I managed to dress myself for my interview for just over 20 quid. I bought trousers from a charity shop, I got a shirt from a charity shop. These trainers from George Asda, and I then got a little jumper from them as well. I'll show you the outfit on Thursday when I'm going to the interview. I've tried it on, everything fits really nice, but I want to keep it dog hair free, and the dogs are around. My flipping phone call's done again. I'm annoying myself.